Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to compare lists and highlight unique values in Excel. So in this example, I have two lists, list A and list B of students. I want to compare these two lists and highlight the names that are not in both lists. So to do this, I'm going to select the two sets. I held Control in selecting the second one. I go Home under the Home tab, locate Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, and we go all the way to Duplicate Values. This is not what we are looking for. We are not looking for duplicate values. Rather, we are looking for the opposite of duplicate values. So you just drop this and it gives you the names that are not in both. So I click OK. So Anthony and Michael are the odd names out in this case. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list, send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.